Welcome to Flash Tutorial Request 45 Coloring Book Reset. It's a follow-up to Tutorial 44, which was Coloring Book Part 3. And that's a tutorial I have opened on my computer now. When I did that tutorial, I asked viewers if anyone knew how to do a reset using ActionScript for this particular situation. And I got a person named Suzanne. She's from Germany, and she has given me permission, or she has allowed me to pass that code on to you. So that's what this tutorial is about. We're going to start by locking all the layers. Select the frames label, insert a layer, and call it menu. M-E-N-B-T-N as in menu button. Select frame 3. Insert a keyframe. I got my stage at 50%. I'm going to make an oval. Pick up my oval tool, and I'm going to pick a crazy color for my fill and black for my stroke, and here I'm going to make an oval. Pick up my selection tool, highlight it. I'm just going to move it over to try to keep it in line. Modify, converting it to a symbol. I'm making sure movie clip is selected, and I'm calling it M-E-N-U, menu underscore MC. It's actually a movie clip used as a button. Going to copy that, and while it's still selected, open my properties panel and paste it in for an instance name. Going to select frame 3, right click, insert a keyframe, selecting that button I just made. It's called menu here in the instance name, and I'm going to call it menu P, capital P as in airplane. Select the frame 4, right click, insert keyframe. Again, select that menu button. This time change the P to a B. So we use the same button, the same instance, but gave it 3 different instance names so we can write code with it 3 different times. Lock all the layers. Select frame 2 of the actions layer, which is the house. Open the actions panel, and way down the very bottom of all of our script, type this code, type, and it says menu underscore MC, that's that button we just made, period, add event listener, small a, capital E, capital L, turns blue, open bracket, mouse event, capital M, capital E, turns blue, period, capital C, capital L, capital I, capital C, capital K, comma, button, close bracket, semicolon. Here's the function, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N, turns purple. Button, B-U-T-T-O-N, that's the name of the function. Open bracket, E, close bracket. There's the open curly for my function. There's the closed curly bracket for my function. And I'm saying, this period, remove child. Small t, small r, capital C, all turns blue. And this is for the canvas sprite. Open bracket, CANVAS underscore SP, that's that canvas sprite, close bracket, semicolon. You can just copy it and paste it again, and make sure it says drawing, DRAWING underscore SH as in shape, close bracket, semicolon. And this period, go to and play, small t, period, small g, small t, capital A, capital P, that turns blue, open bracket, 1, close bracket, semicolon. So now let's just test out the house for a minute and see if that allows us to turn. Test the movie, test. Click on the house, pick up a color, paint, pick up different color, paint, and return, and we're back there. That's great. Copy this. Go back to the timeline, pick up the airplane action script, which is frame 3. Come down the bottom, paste it in, make it menu capital P here, button P here, button P here, canvas P, and drawing P. Go back and do frame 4 for the boat. Very bottom. Paste in place. This becomes menu B, capital B, button capital B, button capital B, canvas B, and drawing B. And now all of them should work. Select the boat, do some drawing, go back, select the plane, do some painting, go back, select the boat, do some painting, go back. And one last thing that you might want to do is open up your menu button right there. Double click on that menu button. On the timeline, call this the button, BTN. Lock it, insert a layer, and call this text, TEXT. Select that frame 1. Make sure the second layer is locked. Pick up a fill color, because I think the text is on the fill color. Something that will show up on that. Let's pick up this yellow and pick up the text tool. Right menu, MENU. Pick up your free transform tool and just make it a little bit smaller and stick it on top of there. MENU, and let's see that, make sure we have static text and make sure we embed it. And we want to do upper, lower, numerals, and punctuation. Okay. Just test it once more on any one of them. Now we can see that it says menu. I can do my coloring and go back to the boat. Again, my thanks to Sue in Germany for that code. Hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learned.